In this video, I will show you how to add and edit sections like banners and featured collections, use of Shopify's AI tools and free stock images, and ensure your store looks great on mobile. So, once you are on the theme editor, you will see your homepage layout divided into sections like the header, hero image, featured collections, and more. You can edit any section simply by clicking on it. Click on the image banner section, then select change image. You can either upload your own image or use Shopify's free stock images. For example, I will search for fashion and choose this image. Once selected, click Save, scroll down, select Featured Collection and click Add Section. And choose an existing collection or create a new one. For example, let's create a collection called Top Picks. Add a few products, save it. To move sections around, simply drag and drop them in the editor. For instance, let's place the featured collection right below the hero image for better visibility. Shopify makes it easy to create professional content with its AI tools, like AI Text Generator. Click on any text field and choose Generate Text. For example, describe your product or brand. Select a tone like Expert and let Shopify generate engaging text for you. And next is the free stock images. For banners or other visuals, Shopify provides high quality images that matches your niche. Over 50% of online shoppers browse on their phones, so it's critical to optimize your store for mobile. Click the mobile icon in the top editor menu to preview your store on a mobile device. Adjust the hero image to ensure it displays properly. For example, if the desktop image doesn't work, you can upload a mobile-specific image. Check the section heights, text sizes, and button placements to ensure everything looks clean and easy to navigate. And that's how you customize your Shopify homepage like a pro. So you have successfully added or edited key sections, used Shopify tools to create great content and visuals, and made sure your layout looks amazing on mobile. As a fast learner now, you are ready to add products and organize them into collections. So quickly click on the video on the screen to make your store even more user friendly.